How to fix Instagram unable to log in problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection. In order to use Instagram, you need to have a proper working internet connection, and if your internet is poor, you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. See if that helps, and if not, then you can also toggle on the toggle button for airplane mode for the time being and then toggle it off after a few seconds. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, go ahead and try to restart the Instagram application. So swipe up on your screen and then force quit Instagram along with all the apps running in the background, and then open it again, as this will refresh the app. See if that helps, and if not, then open App Store on your device and then tap on the search bar and search for Instagram, and make sure that the Instagram application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the Instagram app. And if that does not help you in fixing your issue too, then launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Further, scroll down and navigate to Instagram, and go ahead and offload the Instagram application, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then it simply could be that the server is down. So open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Instagram server status, and then go ahead and make sure that the server is not down. And if it is down, then you might need to simply go ahead and wait for a few minutes or hour for the server to work. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then go ahead and open Instagram again and then tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Further, tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then scroll down to the bottom, and then tap on the log out option you see there and log yourself out, and then go ahead and try to restart and re-log in and see if that helps you in fixing your issue. If not, then make sure that you are not connected to any kind of VPN services, as if you are connected to a VPN, then Instagram login error might appear. And if your issue is not fixed yet, then on your home screen, simply tap hold on the Instagram application and then tap on the remove app option and then on delete app. Delete the app and reinstall it again from your app store, and by now your issue should have been fixed. If not, you can use the web version of Instagram for the time being. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram unable to log in problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.